Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampingwithamore. Welcome to Merry Christmas in July. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. All right, we have quick and easy today, and this one is very quick and easy. We are making a Ghirardelli holder. This will also carry the little Ritter chocolates, but this is the one I'm sharing. It's super cute and so quick and easy. You're gonna love this one. This is a great one as a stocking stuffer or just for your coworkers to set on their desk, or just, it's so simple. It's really quick and easy. This is a great one too for nursing homes. And I've been thinking again a lot since a lot of the nursing homes are open again. I'm thinking of going to the one that my mom used to be in and bring in some little goodies, because I used to do that all the time and I really miss doing that. It gave me more pleasure, I think, than it gave them, but they did love the little treats. So this is what I'm sharing today. I'm changing up the color. You know, I have to change it up to give you an extra idea, but we are doing the exact same thing, only we're using different colors. I'm going to use the Blushing Bride for the outside part where I used the macaron on here. We are going to just use the same ribbon and everything else is the same. The designer series paper, I changed the pattern on it, and I'm going to show you this. If you didn't see my haul, don't miss this designer series paper. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this paper. I'm going to show you the whole pack here because it's so well worth showing, because it's absolutely gorgeous. The one I'm going to use this today is this one. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. If you love the pastels, and it does have glimmer in it, like a little foiled look to it. And then the other side's plain, but I love the other side as well. This is the one I used for the one that I did, these little ornaments. Look at that paper. And then the other side's just plain as well. One side is a specialty and the other side is regular. Let me tell you the name of it because I'm still learning. It's the Whimsy and Wonder. Now this is coming out August 3rd, which is coming really quick. And so since I'm doing Christmas in July, I'm sharing these early. But oh my God, look at this. Look at this paper. It is so pretty. Look at these trees. I'm ordering another pack. I wish I would have ordered two in the first place, but this is my favorite, I think, out of all the paper. I didn't order there is a suite that goes with this, or a bundle, and I didn't order that, and I'm contemplating that as well because this is so beautiful. Look at the packages, and it's just so beautiful. Look at the snowflakes. There's a ribbon that coordinates with this, and it is a ribbon that has I'm going to grab it super quick because you have to see this ribbon. It's gorgeous. It's called the Fray Trimmed Grosgrain ribbon, but look at this ribbon. It's frayed on the edge. So, oh my goodness, I love this. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use that. But that goes with that bundle or suite. I can't remember if it was the full suite or just the bundle. All right, let's get started. It's super quick and easy. You're gonna love this. So what you're gonna use for the treat holder itself is a piece that's 8 by 2 1/8, and I did make it a little bit wider than the punch because I needed that little extra space. I wanted it a little bit wider. And then to mat it, you're using a piece that's 6 1/2 by 2. Yeah. Then you need scrap, which I already got out, and this is the Blushing Bride as well. We're going to cut those out, the snowflake and the little scallop circle. These are using the layering circles. This one for I'm going to stamp a snowflake, and then we're going to put the other snowflake on top. And then this one is the mint macaron for the extra. This is a scallop too. So these are the dies, the layering circles. They come in the regular and the scalloped. And then the other one, the snowflakes, is from the So Many Snowflakes, which is bundled with the Snowflake Wishes. So it's this, and that's one of the little snowflakes. I love this. You've seen me use this if you follow me a bunch because it's one of my favorite. So let's run these through really quick. on the cut and emboss, and then we'll be ready to go. So look at, I got my, finally, after 2 weeks, I got my, I don't know what happened. I think it got lost in the mail, and I just got these, and I ordered them like 2 weeks ago. All right, so we're gonna run these through all at the same time. I was so excited to see these in the mail. Oh my gosh, I needed plates so bad. I may have to run that macaroni again if it didn't catch the whole circle. It looks like it moved on me. No, it's good. Yay. All right, so we're gonna leave these all on here and just grab the pieces. So we're doing like 3 different layers on this one. And then the snowflake. Put that there so I don't lose that one. I feel so clumsy today. I don't know. I didn't sleep real well last night. Do you ever have those nights where you just keep waking up all night? Oh my gosh. It was one of those nights last night. I don't know if I drank too much caffeine, which I hardly ever drink caffeine. But I had my grandson, and we went out to, took him out to lunch, and I drink, whenever I go out to lunch, that's the only time I drink caffeine. I had a Diet Coke, but wow, I can't handle the caffeine. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the snowflake, and I'm going to stamp it. It just gives it a little bit of extra dimension. I'm stamping it in Blushing Bride. I just liked it stamped behind. It wasn't so plain. So we're using this small one. I really need to get a new Blushing Bride or some re-inker. I ran out of my re-inker for this. And we're just going to stamp that. Just like that. Isn't it pretty? I love this bundle. It's one of my favorite. And I have a lot of favorites. Now we are going to go ahead and score our bottom piece. And you're just scoring it on the 8-inch side, and you're going to score it at 3, 3 1/4, 6 1/4, and 6 1/2. And then I'm sharpening this. I'm not even going to score the other piece. You can also mat this first, but I find it easier just to do it this way. And then you can score, and then you have them both scored. It's up to you how you like to do them. But this way just seemed easier to me. And then I can do the punching here, and when I lay the other piece on top, I'll get it where I want it. So that is what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and punch. And I am using this tag topper punch, and I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it in the video here. I always forget the names of these. Now when you do this, let me turn it this way. So just slide it in like this. And kind of slide it in at an angle. I try to keep it pretty straight there. Let's see where we're at. Need to scoot it over here, and then just punch, and then you should have it even on both sides. All right, so we are going to place this. I want a little bit, I think I'm going to do, yeah, I'm going to put it all the way to the top here. So you're going to go to that first score mark there, and I think I made this a little bit too long. So I'll just trim it. I'm going to go ahead and adhere it. Another thing is to remember that this is the front. So put your design, if your design goes a certain way, I'm going to put it this way. Make sure that your design is going the right way. I'm going to use my wet glue for this. Someone told me that there's a little top that can go on this that keeps it closed. It like flips onto the top. But I didn't find it, but I'm still looking. And I did order some other bottles that I'm going to try. Some little bottles that will hold the glue, and it has a little top on it. All right, so we're putting that on. Make sure the sides are even. There's just a tiny, tiny bit hanging over here, so just trim it off. It's easier than trying to figure out the measurement on that little piece. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use my bone folder again here. Make sure that little piece is a little tricky, so make sure that you get that down really good. And then we're just gonna do these. Just sharpen it. There. Now everything's ready, just like that. I think I like this Blushing Bride. I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal, just the plain, to put our little, and I didn't have any Christmas one yet or any that go with this, but I will definitely be looking. I just had these. So we're going to put that in here, close it up. I'm going to grab my ribbon. And this ribbon is our new in color. This one is the Open Weave ribbon. And it's soft succulent, but it goes with this. Put it through your little hole there. Then you're going to bring this around. Make sure you have enough ribbon here to tie a nice bow. I'm just going to tie a bow here. These are really so quick and easy. And then this ribbon does tie really nice. It's a little bit slippery, you know how sometimes this sheer ribbon is, but it's really easy to tie. You know me, I always have a hard time. Whoops, almost pulled that right through. So make it the size that you like, and then we'll trim the end. I may even make that a little bit smaller. There, we'll do it like that. Ooh, I think I like the Blushing Bride better. That's why I like doing a second version, so that you can see something different in case, because sometimes I don't know. So we're gonna do the mint macaron, we're gonna do the Blushing Bride on top of that. So just center it in there. And then we're going to do this little snowflake. And then I'm going to do this snowflake on top, but I'm using a little bit of dimensional. I'm actually going to cut the bottom part of the dimensional off here and just use a little tiny piece. So it just pops that up right in the middle. You can use your mini dimensional because the rhinestone's going to hide it. And then we're putting that on top here. And I love the little stamped part underneath. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to use my rhinestones. And we are going to add one in the center. Isn't that pretty with the little rhinestone? And then I am going to just adhere this to the front here. Yes, I definitely like this one the best. I like the Blushing Bride as the base part. So look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's my, here's the other one with the mint macaron. Which one do you like better? You're always so good at telling me which one you like better. I love this one. This is my favorite, the Blushing Bride one. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. All these supplies will be available on August 3rd when the new catalog goes live. If you don't have a demonstrator and you'd like a new catalog for the mini catalog, and Celebration is going along with that, just contact me on my blog at stampingwithamore.com and I'll be happy to send you one. Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one.